Daddy
and
Kittens!
Look how many vegetables are here. Many. What are they? Potatoes, yes, potatoes. There are many potatoes here. We have white potatoes. Sweet potatoes are orange or purple. Here we have many peas. We have here many green beans. And the beans?
Yeah.
Show me your beans. What is it? Carrot. And we have many carrots. What is it?
Eggplant.
It's eggplant, yes. And here we have many eggplants. And here we have, what is it? Pumpkin, yes. Pumpkin. Here we have many pumpkins. Pumpkins are orange or green. What is it?
Tomato.
We have here many tomatoes. Here we have many sweet corns. What is it?
Sweet pepper.
Yes, sweet pepper or bell pepper. And here we have many bell peppers. And of course, many different kinds of peppers too. Bell peppers are red, yellow or green. Press it. We have garlic. And here, what do we have here?
Onion.
Yes, and here we have many onions. Onions are purple or yellow. What is it? Cucumber, and here we have many cucumbers. What are they? Mushrooms, yes. And here we have many mushrooms. Mushrooms have many colors. Some mushrooms are very dangerous and we shouldn't eat them. What is it? Broccoli, yes. And here we have a many broccoli and the cauliflowers. What is it? Cabbage. And we have purple cabbage. And we have white cabbage. Cabbages are purple or white. Now we need to buy just more vegetables. How much money do you have?
20.
Yes, 20. Give the money. Very good. You will get the change.
Sponsored by IQ English.